Yo, what's up guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get Wallpaper engine. I'm using it right now. If you guys do enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into it. For this tutorial you're gonna need to click the first link in the description, and it'll take you to my Discord server. Make sure you go to downloads and you'll see the Wallpaper engine link right here. Click on that and then it'll take you to mega file, and then you just download it. But I already have it, so I'm not gonna download it again. But once you have it downloaded, it will be a WinRAR file. Once you extract and everything, you get a file right here like this, Wallpaper engine, whatever. And then just double click on it. And if it asks for a password, it's a 123456. But if it doesn't, just keep in mind. But like once you have it extracted and everything, I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to do that. Click on installer, and just wait. See how my wallpaper like just glitched out because I had it running. But we're good. Once it is done downloading, should pop up like this. I have two monitors. I already have set up my wallpaper, so I don't really need to change it. But yeah, and just there's like a variety of wallpapers you can use, like this. Oh yeah, this is for my second monitor. Oh, there you go. Like that. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna just go back to the one I had. But yeah, and if you guys want to learn how to use this, I can make a separate video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.